Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some small kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are some ideas to help you decorate a small kitchen. Light colors. Use light colors on the walls, cabinets and countertops to make the space feel larger and more open. Open shelving. Replace upper cabinets with open shelves to create an airy feel and display attractive dishes and glassware. Compact appliances. Opt for smaller, space-saving appliances to maximize counter and storage space. Multi-purpose furniture. Use furniture that can serve multiple functions, such as a kitchen island with storage underneath or a fold-out dining table. Vertical storage. Make use of vertical space by installing hooks, racks, and shelves for pots, pans, and utensils. Mirrors. Incorporate mirrors of reflective surfaces to give the illusion of a larger space. Glass cabinet doors. Replace solid cabinet doors with glass ones to make the space feel more open. Rolling cart. Use a rolling cart for additional storage and counter space that can be moved as needed. Hang pots and pans. Use a pot rack or hooks to hang pots and pans, freeing up cabinet space. Bright accents. Add pops of bright color with accessories like towels, rugs, or small appliances to add personality without overwhelming the space. Shrimp furniture. Choose shrimp streamlined furniture to maximize floor space. Tall cabinets. Install cabinets that go all the way to the ceiling for extra storage. Clear containers. Use clear storage containers to organize pantry items and make it easy to find what you need. Magnetic strips. Use magnetic strips to hold knives, spice, and other metal items. Window treatments. Keep window treatments light, airy, or opt for no treatments at all to let in more natural light. Corner shelves. Use corner shelves to make use of typically unused space. Over-the-door storage. Use over-the-door organizers on pantry and cabinet doors. Pull-out pantry. Install a pull-out pantry to maximize narrow space. Compact sink. Choose a smaller, more compact sink to free up counter space. Dual purpose island. Use a kitchen island with seating to serve as both a park area and a dining table. Mirror backsplash. Use a mirrored backsplash to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Pegboard. Install a pegboard for hanging utensils, pots, and pans in an organized manner. Floating shelves. Use floating shelves to add storage without the bulk of traditional cabinets. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching these videos.